There's nothing more expensive than a cheap German car, and these 10 catastrophic repairs prove it. While everyone's chasing bargain BMWs and Audis, smart buyers know these financial disasters are lurking under every hood. And stay till the end, because the number one most costly repair will blow your mind and your bank account. Number 10. High-performance braking systems. German performance braking systems use expensive components that wear rapidly and cost thousands to maintain properly. High-performance pads, rotors, and sensors are designed for capability, but destroy budgets through frequent replacement needs. Performance brake components wear faster due to vehicle weight, speed capability, and aggressive pad compounds. According to Consumer Reports data and German specialist reports, performance brake service costs $600 to $1,200 per axle and occurs more frequently than standard systems. Here's why performance brakes bankrupt owners. OEM brake pads cost $200 to $400 per axle versus $50 to $100 for standard cars. Performance rotors cost $300 to $600 each and cannot be resurfaced when worn. Brake sensors add $100 to $200 per corner when they fail. The frequency of service multiplies costs significantly. Performance brakes may require service every 15,000 to 25,000 miles versus 40,000 to 60,000 for standard systems. Over 100,000 miles. Brake maintenance costs $4,000 to $6,000 versus $1,000 to $1,500 for conventional systems. Neglecting brake maintenance scores, rotors, forcing complete replacement and doubling repair costs. Number 9. Carbon buildup, direct injection engines. Direct injection engines suffer from carbon buildup that requires expensive professional cleaning or leads to catastrophic valve damage. This problem affects virtually all modern German engines and represents an ongoing maintenance nightmare. Direct injection systems spray fuel directly into combustion chambers, bypassing intake valves. According to Consumer Reports data and Pelican Parts technical documentation, intake valves never get washed by fuel, allowing carbon deposits to accumulate over time. Here's why carbon buildup becomes expensive. Professional walnut blasting costs $400 to $800 every 60,000 miles. If neglected, carbon chunks break off and damage pistons, valves, and cylinder heads, requiring complete engine disassembly. The recurring nature makes this particularly expensive over vehicle lifetime. A car driven 200,000 miles requires carbon cleaning 3 to 4 times, costing $2,400 to $3,200 in maintenance alone. When damage occurs from neglect, repair costs reach $5,000 to $8,000 for internal engine work. German specialists report carbon buildup as an unavoidable expense of direct injection ownership. Number 8. Advanced electrical and wiring issues. German cars have intricate wiring harnesses and electronic control units that create nightmarish diagnostic and repair scenarios. Simple sensor failures can cascade into system-wide problems requiring complete harness replacement. High-mileage German cars suffer from brittle wiring that cracks and fails unpredictably. According to Consumer Reports data and German specialist reports, electrical problems often require extensive diagnostic time and specialized equipment to locate faults. Here's why electrical repairs bankrupt owners. Diagnostic time alone can cost $500 to $1,500 before any repairs begin. Wiring harness replacement costs $5,000 to $20,000 depending on the extent of damage. Control module failures add $1,500 to $3,000 per unit. The real problem is intermittent faults that are difficult to diagnose consistently. Owners face repeated diagnostic charges as problems come and go unpredictably. German forum data shows electrical problems often require multiple repair attempts, multiplying costs significantly. Many owners abandon vehicles rather than continue chasing electrical gremlins. Number 7. Cooling system catastrophe. German cooling systems use fragile plastic components that fail catastrophically, causing immediate engine destruction through overheating. Water pumps, radiators, and thermostat housings are known failure points that destroy engines worth more than most cars. According to Consumer Reports investigations and German forum data, plastic cooling components become brittle with age and heat cycling. When failure occurs, engines overheat in minutes, causing irreversible damage to aluminum components. Here's the deadly progression of cooling system failure. A small leak develops in plastic components, but the temperature gauge reads normal because sufficient coolant remains to fool sensors. Then, catastrophic failure occurs without additional warning. Proactive cooling system replacement costs $1,500 to $3,500, including water pump, thermostat, and hoses. If overheating occurs, head gasket failure, and warped cylinder heads push repair costs to $8,000 to $15,000. Complete engine replacement may be required when blocks crack from thermal stress. German specialists report cooling system failure as the leading cause of engine destruction. Number 6. Major oil leaks, gaskets, and seals. German cars develop expensive oil leaks that require extensive disassembly to repair properly. Common leak points include valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, and oil filter housing gaskets that are buried deep in the engine bay. These leaks start small but worsen rapidly, contaminating other components and eventually causing oil starvation. According to Consumer Reports data and German forum documentation, neglecting oil leaks causes secondary damage that multiplies repair costs exponentially. Here's why oil leak repairs are so expensive. The gaskets themselves are relatively inexpensive, but accessing them requires removing major components. Valve cover gasket replacement on many German engines requires removing intake manifolds, ignition coils, and various sensors. Labor costs range from $1,000 to $3,000 depending on accessibility. Oil pan gasket replacement often requires engine removal, pushing costs to $4,000 to $6,000. The leaked oil damages belts, hoses, and other components, adding hundreds more to repair bills. German specialists report that deferred oil leak repairs often result in complete engine failure from oil starvation. Number 5. Air suspension system failure. German luxury cars with air suspension systems face inevitable failure that costs thousands to repair properly. Found on Mercedes Airmatic, BMW, and high-end Audi models, these systems provide excellent ride quality until they fail catastrophically. Air suspension components fail due to normal wear and environmental factors. According to Consumer Reports data and MB World Forum documentation, air struts, compressors, and control modules typically fail between 80,000 to 120,000 miles. Here's why air suspension repairs bankrupt owners. Individual air struts cost $1,500 to $3,000 each, and failures rarely occur individually. Air compressors cost $1,000 to $2,500 to replace. Control modules add another $1,500 to $2,000 to repair bills. Multiple components often fail simultaneously, creating repair bills of $8,000 to $12,000. Many owners convert to conventional springs, but this destroys ride quality and reduces resale value significantly. Mercedes and BMW specialists report that air suspension repairs often exceed vehicle values on higher mileage luxury cars. Number 4. Transmission, automatic and DSG failure. German automatic and DSG transmissions require specific maintenance that most owners ignore. leading to complete transmission failure costing more than most cars are worth. These sophisticated systems demand precise fluid specifications and change intervals. DSG and S-tronic transmissions are particularly problematic when fluid changes are skipped. According to Consumer Reports data and German specialist reports, these dual-clutch systems require fluid changes every 40,000 miles despite manufacturer claims of lifetime fluid. Here's what happens when transmission maintenance is ignored. The fluid becomes acidic and starts eating internal seals and clutch packs. Metal particles from normal wear contaminate the system, accelerating component damage. The complex hydraulic systems require clean fluid to operate properly. Transmission replacement costs $5,000 to $10,000 for conventional automatics and $6,000 to $12,000 for DSG systems. Rebuilds are often unsuccessful due to contamination damage. Many owners discover repair costs exceed their vehicle's value, leading to total financial loss. Independent German specialists report transmission failure as the second most expensive repair after engine replacement. Number 3, turbocharger replacement. Modern German cars rely heavily on turbocharging, and when these complex systems fail, repair costs are staggering. Nearly all contemporary German engines use forced induction, making turbo failure inevitable on high-mileage vehicles. Turbochargers fail due to oil contamination, heat cycling, and carbon buildup. According to Consumer Reports data and German specialist reports, turbos typically fail between 80,000 to 120,000 miles when maintenance is deferred or oil change intervals are extended. Here's why turbo replacement bankrupts owners. Each turbocharger costs $3,000 to $5,000 to replace, and many performance cars have twin-turbo setups doubling the cost. Labor is intensive due to tight packaging in modern engine bays. The real disaster occurs when metal fragments from failed turbos enter the engine. This requires complete engine flushing or replacement, turning a $6,000 turbo job into a $20,000 engine rebuild. German forum data shows that owners who ignore turbo warning signs face complete engine contamination, requiring total replacement. Number 2, timing chain and tensioner failure. Timing chain failures on German cars turn routine maintenance into catastrophic engine destruction. Common on many Audi V6/V8 engines and BMW models, timing chains should last the engine's lifetime, but tensioner failure causes pistons and valves to collide. According to Consumer Reports investigations and Audi World Forum documentation, early Audi engines suffer from weak timing chain components that wear prematurely. When tensioner failure occurs, the timing chain jumps, causing immediate catastrophic damage on interference engines. Here's the deadly sequence when timing components fail. The plastic guides become brittle and break apart. Chain slack increases until timing jumps. Pistons hit valves at full compression, bending valves and potentially cracking pistons and cylinder heads. Prevention through tensioner replacement costs $2,000 to $5,500. If the chain fails completely, it becomes engine replacement costing $15,000 to $25,000. The repair requires complete engine disassembly and reconstruction. BMW and Audi specialists report this failure destroys engines instantly, with no possibility of minor repairs. Number 1, engine replacement. BMW N63/N62. The BMW N63 and N62 V8 engines are ticking time bombs that will drain your bank account faster than any other German power plant. Known for chronic issues including oil consumption, failing valve seals, and turbo problems, these engines represent BMW's worst reliability disaster. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost forum documentation, the N63 has one of the worst reliability records of any modern BMW engine. The hot V design places turbos between cylinder banks, creating extreme heat that literally cooks surrounding components. Here's why this repair bankrupts owners. A new OEM engine can cost over $26,000 just for the part, with labor pushing total costs to $30,000 to $35,000. Used engines are expensive because the failure is so common, and many have the same underlying problems. The cost often exceeds the vehicle's value, leading to total financial loss. Independent BMW specialists report that owners facing 63 engine replacement often abandon their cars rather than pay repair bills that exceed $25,000. Consumer Reports shows these engines have a 40% chance of major failure before 100,000 miles. Warning signs that could save you thousands. The key to avoiding these catastrophic German car repairs is recognizing the early warning signs before minor problems become financial disasters. According to Consumer Reports data and German specialist experience, most major failures give subtle warnings that owners either ignore or misinterpret as normal operation. For engine problems, watch for unusual oil consumption, rough idle, or metallic rattling on startup. These symptoms often indicate timing chain issues, carbon buildup, or internal wear that will escalate rapidly if ignored. Check your oil level every 1,000 miles. German engines that suddenly start consuming oil are warning you of impending catastrophic failure. Transmission problems announce themselves through harsh shifting, delayed engagement, or whining noises during acceleration. DSG transmissions develop a distinctive shudder during low-speed maneuvers when clutch packs begin failing. Don't ignore these signs. Early intervention can prevent complete transmission destruction. Turbocharger failure symptoms include blue smoke from the exhaust, loss of power, or whistling sounds during acceleration. Oil leaks around turbo connections indicate bearing failure that will contaminate your entire engine if not addressed immediately. The key is catching these problems before metal debris enters the oil system. Cooling system failures often start with small puddles under the car or sweet coolant smells from the engine bay. Don't wait for temperature gauge warnings. By then, damage may already be occurring. Inspect hoses, connections, and the expansion tank regularly for cracks or discoloration. Electrical problems begin with intermittent warning lights, strange behavior from electronic systems, or battery drain issues. German cars' complex electrical systems can cascade from minor faults to complete system failures costing thousands. The most important prevention strategy is addressing problems immediately when symptoms first appear. German cars punish procrastination with exponentially increasing repair costs. A $200 repair ignored becomes a $5,000 disaster within months. Regular inspections by German specialists can catch these warning signs before they destroy your budget. These 10 repairs represent the dark side of German engineering, where complexity and performance create financial disasters for owners. The common thread among all these failures is that routine maintenance becomes catastrophically expensive due to sophisticated systems and tight packaging. According to Consumer Reports data, avoiding these specific repairs through preventive maintenance or vehicle selection can save $15,000 to $30,000 over a vehicle's lifetime. When considering German car ownership, budget for these potential failures, or choose simpler, more reliable alternatives. Sometimes the smartest engineering decision is avoiding the most complex solutions entirely. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.